So just slap it into it.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're like, doing the... And then you can send it to Tita Ivy and Tita Rene. Jealous.
Jealous.
So, like that. Yeah. Added more. But you're doing is a good thing too. You're smashing the potatoes. Yeah. How is it?
It's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah, that doesn't bother me.
Are you okay, your hand?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm durable.
Lupak-lupak.
It's very sticky.
It's gonna be very sticky. Yan. See, it's sticky not everything. And we added more, a little bit of maki. Sarap. That is a condensed milk.